Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix saved video missing problem on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone and I'm going to show you how we can fix the problem. If you want to fix a problem on TikTok, you can go to your settings and privacy first. You can select your profile and then you can click on the three lines on the top right and select the settings and privacy. Okay, and then you're going to scroll down until you find report a problem option and you're going to click this one, and here you can choose a problem a topic for the problem that you want to report to TikTok. And I'm going to choose creation. Okay, and here we can solve the problem with saving video. Tap on the saving video and you can choose a specific topic for the problem you face on TikTok, and I'm going to show you one by one. So the TikTok will give us the solution for the problem we face. This is the solution for saving videos on TikTok and unable to save video. And these are what you need to do. Try working through this first steps. And then you can check this one as well, finding saved videos to find your missing video on TikTok. Okay. And then you can click on issue with saved video. Okay, these are the steps you need to follow. And if your problem is not here, you can go to the other. Okay, then if your problem hasn't been solved, you can go to need more help. Okay, and then here you can send a message to the TikTok. For example, I'm just going to select other and I'm going to chat TikTok. We can explain that the video sorry I saved from TikTok is missing. Okay, and send it to TikTok, and I hope the TikTok will solve your problem. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix saved video missing problem on TikTok. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.